Hello YouTube, I'm building a Batrium power center here. I have a Cellmate 9, a Watchman core, and a 1000 amp shunt here, and we're going to have to mount these devices. Batrium wants me to use these brackets here to kind of mount onto like a rail. I really don't like that idea because everything's exposed, weather and everything. So we're going to come up with a different idea, I think, here. When you pull all these plastic pieces off and they just slide apart, you have pretty much the circuit board here. See these holes here? We're going to use these holes to mount inside this box here. And the same here, you just want to pull the plastic mounting pieces off here, and you want to pretty much expose the mounting holes here. This is what the circuit board should look like after taking the original mounting brackets off. Here we have the Watchman core and the Cellmate 9 securely mounted in the power center. I've also installed the cable here to connect both devices. I had to pull these out to install the cable. I've also installed the shunt cable here. The shunt here will be wired outside the power center here. And the reason is because the cables are massive that go onto the shunt. Thank you for watching part 1 of my Batrium BMS install. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe.